Stay calm, or I will smash you.
Calm? You tell me to stay calm? We're out of pizza bagels!
Stupid doors! That's the 5th one!
Where are you trying to go? There are 6 more bathrooms. Concentrate. Pretend the doorknob is an egg. Pretend everything is an egg.
Wow.
Why am I so hungry? I already ate all the pizza bagels in the freezer. Pizza bagels!
You just turned into a living reactor. You need fuel.
Is this what it's like for you all the time? I'm a monster!
Yeah, sort of. So that's what it's like to live with me. I'd hate living with